Welcome. For me, it's an iPhone 13 mini, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now for this you will need a computer, and that can be either Windows or Mac, it doesn't really matter. If you're using Windows, you will need to also download iTunes, which can be done by going to the Windows Store, and if you're using a Mac, simply open up your Finder, which is equivalent of like the Windows Explorer window on Windows. So once you have that, you want to plug in your device. And going back to Mac, in Finder you'll see it pop up somewhere. There we go, like it did right here for me. And when you click on it, like so, it will show up with a page that looks exactly like this one right over here. So that's what you will see. And if you're using iTunes, all you need to do is click on this little button right over here, which will take you right over here. Now, before you actually boot the device into recovery mode, you first want to start off by downloading their latest iOS, so you don't actually waste your time here. So what you want to do is select Restore iPhone, although you first need to wait for it to actually finish up backup. I'm going to select Restore, and it will start extracting software, but that's for me. Now for you, it will give you a couple options or a couple of dialog boxes with progressing further, at which point it will start downloading the newest iOS, which will be visible somewhere next to the search bar. Now this will take you sometime about 30 to 40 minutes, even though it's a 6 GB file. You're getting severely bottlenecked by Apple servers, so just be patient. It's going to take a while for it to download, and once it's finished, you can now boot your device into recovery mode. And to do so, all you need to do is press volume up, volume down, and then hold the power key for the remainder of the time. So I'm going to do that right now. As you can see, it turned off and now it's turning back on, at which point it's gonna now switch to recovery mode right about now. There we go. Once you see the laptop with the cable on it on the screen, you can let go, and on iTunes or Finder you'll see that it is now detecting iPhone and recovery mode, so simply press Restore iPhone, restore and update. There is no way of not updating your device, and let it go through. Now this will take like 10 minutes to finish up, and once it has, you'll then be greeted with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. Well, as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.